Hello foodies! Today I'm going to share the easiest and fastest Mexican salad recipe that comes with a few nuances which make it absolutely special. Cut one tortilla to small rectangles, have them tightly rolled up and slice into 5mm strips. Toss to separate and place all strips on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Drizzle with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, toss again to coat the strips with the oil, and spread over the baking tray more or less evenly. Send the tray to the oven under broil, and since every oven is different, keep an eye on it. Tortilla strips get dark really fast, so perhaps 2-3 minutes is all you need to make them crispy. While the strips are in the oven, go on and chop the lettuce. Check if the tortilla strips are golden brown, and if they are, take the tray out from the oven and let the strips cool down. Transfer the chopped lettuce to a large bowl where we will add and combine the rest of the ingredients. Cut 1 large tomato into halves and carve out the seeds and all the watery flesh with a melon baller or a teaspoon. You can use the tomato flesh in other dishes, so just place it into an airtight container and send it to the fridge. Thinly slice the carved tomato halves and add them to the bowl with chopped lettuce. Next thing is thinly slicing 1 medium red onion. Separate the onion slices with your hand and add to the mixing bowl. Roughly chop a few branches of fresh cilantro and send to the bowl as well. Now, it is time to add half a can of rinsed and drained corn kernels and a can of rinsed and drained black beans. After that, peel, deseed, and slice 1 medium well-ripened avocado. I find that the easiest way to peel the avocados is cutting them in quarters and then taking off the skin with just fingers. This trick works only for well-ripened avocados though. Leave the avocados on the cutting board and season the ingredients in the bowl with salt. Mix well and transfer to a large open platter. Spread the salad on the platter and top with sliced avocados. The only thing left to prepare is a simple sauce. For the sauce, combine sour cream with any kind of brine you may have in the fridge. Best is to use a jalapeno brine, but any other kind like from pickled cucumbers will work great too. Mix well to have a smooth, runny consistency and sprinkle a few splashes over the salad. Top with crispy tortilla strips and sprinkle with juice of 1/4 lime and indulge yourself with this goodness immediately. All ingredients and measurements are listed in description below. Check, try, like, share, and subscribe if not already. Thanks for watching and see you next week.